Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and enabling Copyfish, because without activation you can't extract text. Once installed, click the icon and pick the OCR language. This matters for accuracy. Make sure you grant any screenshot or camera permission, otherwise the tool won't capture content. Pin the extension to your toolbar so it's always one click away. After these steps, you're ready to capture. Move on to selecting exactly the region of text you want to process. Now you capture. Click Copyfish and drag to select the text region, because precise selection improves OCR results. Once selected, use the settings to adjust DPI and recognition language, and increase contrast if the image is faint. The extension runs recognition and shows editable text. Review it to fix common OCR mistakes like punctuation or similar characters. When corrected, press Copy to put results on your clipboard, or export the text. To finish, paste the captured text into your target app and format as needed. You're done when the text fits your document. If accuracy is poor, rescan with a cleaner, higher resolution screenshot, or change the OCR language to match the source. These adjustments fix most errors. Make sure to use image cleanup tools if available, and if Copyfish stops responding, restart the extension or the browser. That simple reset often resolves permission or memory hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.